What is machine learning? In today's video, we're looking at one of the most important parts of artificial intelligence, machine learning, or ML. Let's break it down in a simple way. Tom Mitchell, a well-known expert in the field, defines machine learning as the study of computer algorithms that allow computer programs to automatically improve through experience. That's a fancy way of saying machine learning is how computers learn from data and get better at tasks without being programmed step by step. How does it work? Think of how you learn. For example, the more times you practice solving a math problem, the better you get. In the same way, machine learning algorithms improve as they are fed more data. They find patterns, make predictions, and adjust their behavior over time. Let's say you show a computer thousands of photos of cats and dogs. At first, it doesn't know what's what. But as it studies the images, it starts recognizing patterns, like fur, ear shape, or nose size. Eventually, it can tell whether a new photo is a cat or a dog, all by learning from past examples. Where is machine learning used? Machine learning is all around us, even if we don't notice it. Search engines use it to give better results. Email apps use it to filter out spam. Banks use it to detect fraud. Social media uses it to show content you're likely to enjoy. And video games use it to make characters smarter. Every time these systems are used, they learn a little more and get a little better. Why it matters. Machine learning is powerful because it helps computers do things that used to need human intelligence and do them faster, cheaper, and often more accurately. From healthcare to finance to entertainment, machine learning is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. At CT Academy, we teach you how machine learning works, step by step, in a way that's simple, clear, and hands-on. Visit www.ctglobal.my or click the link in the description to explore our full machine learning courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next CT Academy video.